So I was playing Fortnite like a normal me. And I killed a dude before these clips. And he said,
Imagine teaming LOL in solos. Reported.
like dude, you lost to a bronze player. Get good, Lil Timmy. And I had no idea this low degenerate noob toxic aw kid was a racist Lil Timmy. First of all, I wasn't teaming. This idiot straight up lied. But don't worry, in the end I won the game. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your 2025. Oh, and my rank is now bronze too. Which is very bad.